Hello everyone, I am Shine and you are watching Civil Engineering Tips channel. In today's video we are going to discuss about column. Let's define the column. Column is an important vertical element of every reinforced concrete structure. These are used to transfer load of superstructure to the foundation safely. Difference between short column and long column. Let's find the difference hidden in the definition of short column and long column. If the ratio of effective length of a column to the least lateral dimension of that column is less than 12, then we are defining it as short column. Similarly, if the ratio of effective length to the least lateral dimension is greater than or equal to 12, then we are defining it as long column. In case of short column, load capacity is more, and in case of long column, load capacity is less. Short column fails by crushing, long column fails by bulking. Short column is subjected to compressive stress, long column is subjected to bulking stress. In figure you can understand the failure of these short column and long column. These are the real example of failure in columns due to compressive stress and bulking stress. For short column, slenderness ratio is less. For long column, slenderness ratio is more. Radius of gyration is more for short column and radius of gyration is less for long column. Short columns are basically used for load bearing purpose. For long column, chances of bulking is more. That's why basically used in front of building for beauty and architectural purpose only. Here you can see the sample of short column and long column. Okay everyone, this is all about column and difference between short column and long column. And this is all for today. If you have any questions or if you have any trouble, then please comment below, or you may use the email address that I have given to you description. Till then, happy learning, keep practicing. See you in the next video.